Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and we're going to talk about golf carts and golf cart rentals. But first, remember, at some point during this live feed or at the end of the feed, I'm going to give out clue number 3 in this week's Hunt for Bolivar. So make sure you listen to the video, get your clue, and we'll talk about the sponsors then also. You know, West Canal Beach Buggies has been a big part of Team Bolivar since they started, really. And it's been great working with them, watching them grow. They started over on the north side of Highway 87, and now they've expanded into a bigger operation right catty corner from Bolivar Tourism Center in the Bolivar Live studio. And it's great to see Alex and Tasha in the community. They give back a lot to the community, and they're involved with the community, especially the Peninsula Sports Park, and making sure they have what they need. But when it comes to golf cart rentals, you can't beat West Canal Beach Buggies and their golf cart rentals. They've got some great rentals, and they update them on and off over the year. So you know you're getting an up-to-date golf cart that's ready for you to cruise the beach. Maybe take a trip, sunset cruise down the beach, or maybe take a trip to the donut shop or the big store. So, you know, all their golf carts, you can get them in 2, 4, 6, and 8 seaters, and it's really a great way to get around Bolivar Peninsula. Saves your car from getting on the gas or on the beach, and is a great way for transportation, and it's fun for everyone. But remember, make sure you observe all the rules and regulations on where you can drive them and can't drive them. Please don't drive them down Highway 87. And the great part is about West Canal Beach Buggies is they also do maintenance for your golf cart, whether it's putting a new battery in it, maybe cleaning the carburetor a little bit, maybe updating the suspension, putting some cool rims on it, or just changing the oil and making sure it's ready for your next weekend here on Bolivar. And so if you own a golf cart, they will pick it up. They have free pickup and delivery, whether they're doing maintenance on it or if you're renting a golf cart. And they've got a great way to reserve your cart online where you don't have to call in. Maybe you're making a last minute decision late at night. You can do it all online on their website at www.westcanalbeachbuggies.com. A great site, easy to navigate, and you can pick out what you want, when you want it, how long you want it, exactly the way you want it. So make sure you check them out. Give them a call when you're ready for a golf cart rental, or if you own a golf cart and you need some maintenance done. They're locally owned and operated and veteran owned, and they don't charge for pickup and delivery of your golf cart, whether you're renting it or you getting them to do some maintenance. Give them a call over there, ask for Tasha or Alex, and they'll help you find the perfect cart or help you get the maintenance done on it. So now, you ready? It's time to talk about the Hunt for Bolivar. This is a weekly hunt that starts every Tuesday, and the way it works is every morning around 6 a.m. when we do the first Bolivar live feed, we give out a clue. We also put these clues up by 7 a.m. in the window of the tourism center so that you know exactly what the clue is for that day. We suggest that you take pictures of them in the window so that you can carry them with them and look at all the clues at one time. Bolivar's always put on public ground. We never put you in danger looking through weeds or maybe under a rock where a snake could be. And it is a card, and it says, wahoo, you won the Hunt for Bolivar. Once you find the card, you'll give that number a call on the card, and I'll meet you at the tourism center where We have 10 weeks of the Hunt for Bolivar, and every week someone's guaranteed to win either $100 or $500. We have 9 envelopes with $100 in them, and 1 envelope has $500. So I hope the luck's on your side. I want to start off by thanking the sponsors that make this possible. And so when you shop these businesses, tell them thank you for sponsoring the Hunt for Bolivar in 2024. Crystal Beach Decor and More, Bolivar Trash Company, Latitude 29 Surf Shop, Bolivar Live TV, West Canal Beach Buggies, Seaside Lumber, Swedes Real Estate, Priest Insurance Agency, Norma Smalley Realtor, and Island Liquor. Thank you to these area businesses for sponsoring our weekly hunt, and thank you to the Big Store for being our presenting sponsor in the 2024 Hunt for Bolivar. You know, Keith and a lot of these businesses have been sponsoring it since we started it about 3 or 4 years ago. But let's look at today's clue. It's Thursday, May 30th, 2024. Clue number 3. The second Sunday of May is to honor mothers above all others. Little Bolivar flew past our first mother. Thursday, May 30th, 2024, clue number 3. The second Sunday of May is to honor mothers above all others. Little Bolivar flew past our first mother. Remember, this clue will be in the Bolivar Tourism Center window by 7 a.m. Happy hunting, safe hunting, and come enjoy our 27 miles of beachfront paradise. Once again, thank you to all the sponsors for this year's Hunt for Bolivar. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.